In this lesson, we'll quickly test our understanding of the Jovian planets, and then do a couple of quick significant figure calculations. First, which statement is not true of the Jovians? Here are the statements. A. They all lie at least 5 astronomical units from the Sun. B. They all have rings around their equators. C. They all spin slower than the Earth. D. They have satellite systems with at least 8 moons. E. They are all less dense than any of the terrestrials, including our moon. We'll check each one with a visual model. We'll use a compact diagram. The Sun is at the left, and we'll place Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune to the right with labels. Now, let's mark a 5 AU line to test statement A. Jupiter is just beyond 5 AU, and the others are even farther. So statement A is true. Now statement B. All have rings around their equators. Jupiter's rings are faint, but they exist. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune all have rings. Let's draw thin rings. This is true. Statement C says they all spin slower than the Earth. But Earth's rotation is 24 hours, while Jupiter and Saturn spin in about 10 hours and Uranus and Neptune in about 17 and 16 hours. So they spin faster, not slower. Let's add Earth as a reference and place rotation period labels. Therefore, statement C is false. Statement D. Each has at least 8 moons. Jupiter and Saturn each have over 80 known moons. Uranus has over 20, and Neptune has over 10. We'll just place a little greater than or equal 8 tag near each. This is true. Statement E. All are less dense than any terrestrial body, including our moon. The moon's density is about 3.34 grams per cubic centimeter. Jovian densities are about 1.33, 0.69, 1.27, and 1.64, all less than the moon's density. So this one is also true. Therefore, the false statement is C. It is not true that the Jovians spin slower than the Earth. They spin faster with shorter rotation periods. Now, a quick significant figures practice. We will compute and round to the correct number of significant figures. Problem 1. 0.004911 divided by 3.87. The numerator has 4 significant figures, and the denominator has 3, so the answer must have 3 significant figures. Let's compute the raw value, and then round to 3 significant figures. Final, 0.00127. Problem 2. 4 times 6. Each factor has 1 significant figure, so the product should be expressed with 1 significant figure. 4 times 6 equals 24. Rounded to 1 significant figure is 20. Summary. The false Jovian statement is C. They spin faster than Earth. And our significant figure answers are 0.00127 and 20. Great job!